What's up, YouTube? It's me, your girl Rocket. And y'all already know I'm not rocking anything in this video. This is a do-it-yourself. And y'all gonna get this video however it comes out. Because I done choked. I done record this video 18 motherfucking times. So it is what it is. So, you got your flowers, scissors, hot glue gun, hot glue, fabric glue, and you're going to need a big piece of fabric to cover up that part of the shoe that I don't know what it's called on the slide. I guess the slide part. Anyway, so here I am just decorating the shoe. As you see, I already have one shoe completely made. That is because when I am recording here, I don't want to look like ham. And no, guys, not what you put in your sandwich. I'm talking about hot ass mess. Ham. I want to make sure I know what I am doing when I'm recording for you guys. And plus, you always want to measure out your creations or plan out your creations before you do it, because some things are permanent. Once you do it, it cannot be undone. Now, this flower was giving me a bit of a hard time. As you guys saw, it wasn't sticking down completely flat, which meant that eventually it would have just fallen off with simple wear and tear. So I had to deconstruct this flower petal by petal, for lack of a better words. Now, you could just take this flower completely apart and, try to glue it, I guess, all together or all at once, but it doesn't work. It is best if you slowly deconstruct the flower like I did, like part by part, and then hot glue gun it back together. So, y'all, I'm just, seeing where I want these flowers to go. You look good here, you look good there, just plotting, just planning. As I watch me hot glue things down, I just want to say, like I always say, hot glue and all glue is your friend. Please use a lot of it. Don't be afraid of it, because you don't want your creations to be falling apart on you. Hot bam, skittles and squaddle. Look at that creation. It's all done. Look at that TV magic. So this has to be said to go. But this has to be said for you guys, I guess, to understand the message of my madness. The reason why I do not stick this fabric on before we stick these flowers on is because plastic and hot glue don't really work well together. Hot glue is just going to peel off like a band-aid from that plastic, and it is not going to re-stick. It is a one-way Velcro. Once it's on, you take it off, that's it. It's like a sticker. It's like a Band-Aid. Like, it's just good for one use. However, it allows you to mess up and start all over again if you have a mistake, if you make a mistake. And that is why we don't use that first. I'm allowing us, or giving me, the opportunity to make mistakes. Like Miss Frizzle said off the Magic School Bus. Make mistakes. Get Bessie. Something. Okay, look at that. We all done. So, this is the part where I'm talking about where you got that Band-Aid sticker effect. This is going to come off, but it's not going to go back on. It's also important that when you are sticking these flowers onto this plastic shoe, that you put enough glue down so that it's all one piece and it doesn't fall apart. Your flowers are like a Lego piece. You just attach it to wherever you want to go. Okay, now to the final stages. Now, like I said, you can skip this part. You could have done this first instead of doing this last. But I just feel like you want to give your time some space for error. Like, you want to give your time some space for error. That didn't quite make sense, but I think you guys understood what I was trying to say. You want to give yourself some space for error. There we go. I knew I was going to get it. Now, I am using a lot of fabric glue. I'm spreading it around all over that fabric glue, making sure I really cover up that super sign. I just want to make sure that it's really covered. Because that super sign was raised, I want to make sure that it is going to stick. I want to make sure that there is no issue because this, you guys, is a gift, and I don't want my homegirl to be walking around her house and her whole joint just pop off. Like, that ain't good for business. Now, when you're cutting your fabric, it does not have to be perfect, but you definitely don't want it to be tacky unless you're going for that look. I don't know. Here, I was not. I really wanted to give her a nice, clean look to the finish of her shoe. Now, it's not perfect. This is a do it yourself. I am not a machine. But damn it, it looks good when I'm finished. Now I'm just putting on my gloves because I don't like messy hands. I don't mind, do it yourself, doing the work, but honestly, I hate sticky hands. And also, I wanted to show you guys that I was cleaning that because so many people forget to cover their glue and to just simply take pride in their material, guys. You know, when you're in preschool and the teacher says, please put the glue cap on, please clean up your stuff. If you don't clean it up, if you don't treat it right, when you go to get it, it's not going to work. Yeah, guys, don't do that. I'm not saying I did that. I'm just saying that my glue didn't work last time. So always clean your glue. Now here, you are witnessing me go through it with this hot glue gun. I'm going to give you some options here, though. Do you think it's A, my hot glue gun stopped working? B, I don't know how to use a hot glue gun all of a sudden? Or is it C, my hot glue gun somehow magically got pulled out of the wall and is unplugged? Now, if you answered C, guess what? Ding, 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 ding. That is the correct answer. Oh my fucking good God! What the deuce?
أول شيء بالفوز أول شيء تعرف علينا، تعرف على عاداتنا، على تقاليدنا، على قعدتنا، على أسلوبنا، على حياتنا. افرض إنه ما عجبها هذا الحكي كان يتجوزها.
Oh my God.
تلاقيهم إيش بنفصلوا.
Even y'all, my hot glue gun is broke. Y'all get the picture. It don't want to glue. Fuck this shit. Get the shoes. A mess. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.